From quasars to mysterious donut-shaped rocks that appear in photographs. Interested? Come with me. Hey guys, we are from the channel, Another Curiosity, and stay with the 15 bizarre things in space. 15. Hypervelocity stars. Common belief is that shooting stars are meteorites burning up in our atmosphere. The reality is, shooting stars are extremely rare, 1 in 100 million. In 2005, we learned of a hypervelocity star exiting our galaxy at 530 miles per second. It's theorized that once a planet hits the center of a galaxy, a supermassive black hole is ejected with such force that all we see is a flash in the sky, so it's a good thing we're so far from the center. 14. Antimatter, the particles that make up normal matter, you, me. In this internet video, we also have an opposite version known as antimatter. An electron is negative, but a positron is positive. When matter and its antimatter collide, they are converted into pure energy based on Einstein's famous equation E equals mc2. This is believed to power futuristic spacecraft. 13. Quasar, these are lights shining in the distant parts of the galaxy. Quasars release more light and energy than hundreds of galaxies put together, and the general consensus is that they must be monstrous supermassive black holes at the centers of distant galaxies, although their scale is beyond what we could measure. 12. Gliese 581c, do you remember one of those super-Earths they announced some time ago? Well, technically life could live there, but only a small part of it, a ring you see. One side of the planet is continually bathed in heat from the dwarf sun in its system, but because it's so close the dwarf sun emits so much heat that it would vaporize you or me, whereas the other side is pretty cold, so if you plan on visiting sometime in the far future, you might want to suck your stomach. 11. The cosmic microwave. Although the Big Bang has yet to be fundamentally proven, cosmic microwave background noise or CMBs were first detected in the 1960s, radio noise emanating from everywhere in space. It is suggested that the only way for this radiation to be everywhere is due to a colossal explosion, which formed our universe. As we move deeper and deeper into the dark recesses of space, radiation should decrease. 10. Sagittarius B2, we just recently put together the technology to be able to see the center of our universe and discovered something interesting. There is a cloud of dust known as Sagittarius, and according to well-founded theories, it must taste like raspberries and smell like rum. The gas consists of ethyl formate, known to flavor raspberries, and the smell of rum you cannot drink or eat, it will kill you. 9. Dark matter, this is a theory, but a popular one. It turns out that we cannot detect dark matter with current technology, but it exists and makes up most of the matter in our universe. Candidates range from neutrinos to invisible black holes to a dark sheet the size of the universe. Some scientists question its existence although. 8. Gliese 436b, if you thought the two-faced planet was bad, Gliese b is composed entirely of ice, at 439 degrees temperature. That's right, it's a fiery, hellish planet made of ice. The only reason ice can remain solid is purely because gravity holds it in place. Molecules tightly packed together so they cannot evaporate. If you are visiting, I recommend flame-resistant fur and thick fur boots. 7. Jelly donut on Mars, the rover gathered a wide range of photos, but this one piqued some interest. In the space of a few weeks, 2 separate photos were produced with a mysterious rock appearing, as if out of nowhere. Theories ranged from a fungus on a donut to aliens checking out the rover, but most people attribute this to a dodgy rock the rover kicked while driving. 6. The planet made of diamonds 55 𝐂𝐚𝐭𝐨, a star in a binary system, but its partner started cannibalizing it. The star couldn't rip out its carbon core, which turns the surface of planets into crystallized diamonds. Are these diamonds worth harvesting? $22.9 million, a good profit. 1/3 of the planet is pure diamond, and unlike Earth's atmosphere, 𝐂𝐚𝐭𝐨 relies on graphite, diamond, and a few other silicates. If life evolved here, it would look like a vampire cloud from Star Trek V, the Nazi space station. This was seen via Google's moon map, a V-shaped object complete with lights. This is not a small object. On Earth it would be 2 or 3 times larger than traditional spacecraft. The lights lining the V shape indicate a very strange formation, which we still can't be sure of. And if it's a Nazi base, just say they're a little late to the party. 4. The X-shaped spaceship. In 2010, the Hubble telescope discovered a strange object flying through space at over 10,000 miles per hour. Most attribute this to two asteroids colliding to form a strange shape and tail, but what has never been seen before is that the 460-foot wide core is outside the dust halo, separate from the light trail, but they don't have enough data to make an accurate call, and the shape is really quite strange. 3. The Himiko Cloud. This may just look like a shapeless purple cloud, and it is, but it's also one of the first objects ever found, dating to just 800 million years after the Big Bang. It's also huge, half the size of our Milky Way in a colossal formation of gas. This cloud gives scientists a vague glimpse of early galaxy formation, a mysterious bubble discovered since the dawn of time. Mercury. NASA takes a picture of the surface of the planet and we find, strangely, the Mickey Mouse logo. Disney has neither confirmed nor denied rumors that its marketing budget exceeded the technological advances of man. 1. The Large Quasar Group. We've talked about the quasar before, but here's one that breaks the laws of astrophysics. Our galaxy is 100,000 light-years across, so if you look at the night sky, it's a picture of tens of thousands of years ago, and it will take that long for light to reach us. The Large Quasar Group is 4 billion light-years in diameter and, according to the laws of astrophysics, the maximum depth that any structure can reach is 1.2 billion light-years. It is a mystery, which persists to this day. That we are producing videos on Wednesday and Friday here on the channel. If you liked it, don't forget to leave your like and activate the notification bell to stay on top of all the news. I'm waiting for you in the next video.